What's up, everybody? It's Overflow Nexus, the channel of faith, trading, and wealth, giving you the latest and greatest updates on the market. What's up, everybody? Hope you are doing good. Hope you guys are blessed today. I'm chilling. I just got done watching a stream on Twitch, and I said, I gotta chill out, and I gotta come over here and work. So it's time to get to these charts, see what's up, see if we can find some trades or look for some potential trade setups for tonight, and see what the London session has in store for us later on as well. See if we could get in early. But how's everybody doing? If you are new to this channel, say what's up. Don't be shy. I don't bite. I don't start trouble. I'm here for you guys. I'm here to help people make money, teach you how to trade and how to read these charts. And I also trade the Japanese style Ichimoku. So if you are interested in learning how to trade, definitely subscribe, and I will be putting out content for you guys to make money. Shout out to our most recent subscriber, Magic PLNL. Thank you for being a subscriber. Shout out to the most recent member, Ivy Benjamin. Thank you for being a part of the channel and being a part of the membership. And Jason Casper, you still hold the #1 spot for the super chat. So if you are watching, thank you for holding that #1 spot. I appreciate it. Other than that, how's everybody doing? Once again, I just want to say what's up before we get going. I'm not going to talk too much. I want to get at these charts, see what's going on, because I am in I'm in a trade right now, and I think it's still good to get in this short. But I'm gonna see in detail what go in detail what I'm looking at. But after I finish going through the pairs that I have, I'll ask for your requests. If y'all have any requests of what y'all want, feel free to drop your request. If you are a member as well, you get first dibs. So just letting you know. So let me go ahead and jump to the charts. Hope everybody's good right now. Let's go. So we're going to start off with XRP. What's up, Jason? How we doing, brother? I said Jason. Well, I'm tripping. Oh, my God. Justin, how we doing, Justin? Yeah, I was talking to someone named Jason earlier. I'm just messy right now. You said markets need to stay sideways or go up. LOL, have to buy. Well, yeah, actually, you know what? That's funny you say that, because I want to talk about that, because what's happening right now, the market's actually consolidating. It's really ugly right now. Bro, honestly, I'm low-key tired. Like, I'm tired and full of energy at the same time. Like, I don't know if that makes sense. It's like I'm wide awake, but I feel lazy, if that makes sense. But not too lazy. Hey, Jackie, how we doing? Nice to have you on. Thank you for being on here. Hope all is well with you. But what I was saying, yeah, market's definitely moving sideways, and using Ichimoku, we're underneath the cloud, so we're automatically thinking bearish. Overall, I don't need to go to the 4-hour, the daily time frame. Still overall bearish. As you see here, sellers are coming into the market currently because we're at resistance, so I'm taking note of that. But what I'm going to take Ichimoku off. I want to show you guys what I'm actually really seeing here. Y'all usually don't see me take Ichimoku off, but I have to take it off for today because there's not a lot going on here that's making me go, get too excited for, because we're in a sideways market. So Ichimoku is not the best when it comes to sideways markets, but you could still identify a sideways market with Ichimoku. But what I want to show you guys, we are ranging between 32 cents, 107, and down to the 29,365 level. So I am taking note of that. We're ranging from this point to this point. However, we have this middle part that I'm seeing the markets. It may want to come back to this point because that's where we're really ranging. This breakout here was, I won't say it was a coincidence, but it was definitely not expected. So if we could get back down to this level, the 29-cent level, that'd be great. Because what could happen here, we could probably form a double bottom. See the market come back here. If it could hold at this level, we see buyers coming in the market, we'll probably shoot back to the upside here. But it's too early to call that. I'm just going off current data. I don't like to try to figure out the future unless it's necessary, because it's really not necessary right now. We're just trying to enter a trade. So right now I see there's sellers coming into the market at this resistance point. As you see, volumes coming down. What I'm trying to see, we also have a tweezer top here, which is a price action pattern telling sellers come into the market. So we go down to the 15-minute time frame. You really see how clear it is. Sellers are coming into the market. You saw buyers try to push up one more time, but they failed once again, which is why you have this bullish, bearish engulfing candle, and why sellers are now coming into the market. So if you want to enter this trade, this is actually a pretty good time to enter. It's still rather early. This will be the entry, and then stop loss will be slightly above this level. Looking to come down to this level. Let's see, we're looking for at least 128 points in the market, which will take us down to 30 cents and a half. So that's where I'm looking at price falling to. Now, if we get through this level, that'll be a bonus. So that's what I'm also going to take note of as well. And then also another area to identify would be this level too, to see if it holds as supports. So I will be taking note of that. But right now is a good time to enter a short on XRP with a tight stop loss on the 15 based off the hour time frame. And if you zoom out, we caught a trade here yesterday and it came down short. If y'all were on the live stream yesterday, we caught this short down here, and then it ended up holding because we had some divergence coming into the market. So you see buyers took over, and you see what happened here. So I noticed when I took the trade yesterday, I didn't pay attention to the divergence until this morning. So I'm not gonna lie, I took a L in here because I held my trade too long. So I was kind of upset about that. But I went back to see what was happening, and I said, oh, there's divergence, and I didn't notice that. So divergence definitely played a role in this trade to the upside yesterday. If you had taken them long, I took a short here, caught profit, then the market reversed back, and I was like, ugh. But it is what it is. You can't always win every single trade, but hey, that's the game. But looking at the current market now, I do see sellers are trying to take over this market. So I'm going short on XRP, at least to this level, the 30 cent and a half level. And then if we manage to break lower than that, I will be eyeing back down to the 29 cent level for XRP. Let me see. Let me fix that real quick. All right, there we go. Perfect. So yeah, that's what I'm saying here. If you guys agree, let me know. If you disagree, let me know. If you have a different opinion on the market, let me know. I would like to hear your thoughts on the market. I'm personally still bearish on this market. This market is still overall bearish. Thank you for subscribing, Compass Markets. Appreciate that. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for being a member here, a part of the family member of this channel. So thank you very much. Justin, you said I feel that picked 32. Okay. 32 quarts of strawberries and made 24 pints of jam today. Dang. Hey, man. Hey, shoot some jam over this way. I don't know where you live, but hey, if the jam is good enough to ship it over here, I will take some. How much are you selling for? I will definitely take some. You said, God bless this channel. Thank you. I appreciate that. God bless you too. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing here. Another thing that I'm seeing here, I want to tell you guys this because I noticed this late, and this is why sometimes it's very difficult to identify this market because you never see this pattern coming until it's too late. So if y'all been on my channel long enough, y'all know this is called a Y wave. The Y wave is a Ichimoku, part of the Ichimoku wave theory. So y'all heard of the Elliott wave theory, but the Elliott wave theory actually derives from the Ichimoku wave theory, which is not a lot of people don't know. That's like a hidden secret with Ichimoku. And when I saw this, let me take this off. But when I saw this wave, I realized that's why the market shot back to the upside, and I was actually upset about that because I was like, man, this trade was supposed to fly. If you look here, I'll do a little briefing on the wave theory right here. Actually, about right there. So if we looked at this market from this point all the way down to this leg, this will be an I wave. The correction will be a V wave, and then here another I to the downside. So this was how this market, played and made that N wave. At least it's a little shorter than an N wave, but it's like an NT around this area. But we noticed that I was expecting the market to come at least down to this point, but it went up earlier than expected because of the divergence on here. So sometimes you just can't see those things coming until it's a little later. But when I saw this this morning, I realized why the market went up. So I was like, man, that sucks. You said, what about the daily XRP divergence? That divergence is canceled. I'll show you why in a second. Braveheart, how you doing? Welcome. Thanks for being here. You said, I love what you do, but always late at night, 2 a.m. Man, see, that's awesome that you even, consider even joining the live stream, because 2 a.m. in UK and you take time to watch me, that's a blessing. So I'll take that. So thank you for that. You're sacrificing your sleep to watch me. You said, Justin, you said Michigan, we could make that happen. Okay, bet. Yeah, let's make that happen. I want some jam. I want to see what type of jam, how your jam is. So, and if it's good, I'll give you, I'll shout you out on Twitter for people to buy your jam. But let me see. Oh yeah, let me show you the daily divergence that you were referring to. So yeah, the reason why that divergence is dead, look what happened here. I want to show you this real quick so we don't get too confused here. So if you're looking at this point, look at like from here to here. If you look from this point to this point, technically the market's still moving lower. And let me show you what's going on. There's no real divergence here. Unless you're looking at this point to this point, then yeah, maybe. But this is what you have to consider though, because this daily candle still hasn't closed yet. All right. So I see the divergence that you're seeing. The only thing, you still have to wait for this daily candle to close, because this volume could still come down to the downside. So we can't really say that's going to be divergence just yet. I don't know if you're aware, but there's news dropping tomorrow that's going to change the market. So expect the market to be very volatile tomorrow for Forex pairs, for crypto pairs, and for the Dow Jones and a lot of other pairs. But that's what I'm seeing overall. And then overall here you see on Ichimoku, we're super bearish here. So I'm expecting bears to be vengeful tomorrow. Really see some selling pressure coming in on this volume bar, and we'll see what happens. But I'm expecting bears to come in crazy tomorrow. What's up, Cedric from France? How you doing? Hi, how you doing? Appreciate you being here. What's up? Ooh, I don't even know how to say your name, but Cardenas from Argentina. You said good night. I appreciate you being here as well. Thank you for being on here. I don't want to say your name wrong, so I'm gonna have to come up with a nickname for you. I'm gonna call you NC if that's all right with you. I don't like saying people's names wrong. Let's see, Justin. You said, "LOL, don't sell it. That is for family throughout the year, and with everything going on, inflation proofing my." Okay, got you. Okay, got you. Well, hey, if you do sell it, hey, I will definitely, if you change your mind on that, I will definitely help you out with that. But let me see. But going back to the hour time frame and taking Ichimoku off, I still see sellers coming in here, as we see right now currently. So I am still thinking about shorting here. I'm already in a shorts, so I'm gonna just let it ride. Y'all already know where the stop loss is if you're gonna take this trade. Take it at your own risk. I'm not gonna tell you what to do. You take this trade at your own risk, and if we're successful, hey, we're good. And then also you see divergence here anyway on the 15-minute time frame. We have a flat top while this is coming down, so we have some divergence here anyway. So I'm also looking at that for the market to go short anyway. But we'll see. So sometimes divergence doesn't matter. Sometimes that's just the name of the game. You said N-A-Hu-L. So it's N-A, so it's Nahuel? Nahuel? Man, I hope I said that right. I might have to, so it's Nahuel is what you're saying, Nahuel. Now let me know if I said your name right, because I don't like butchering people's names for real though. But I'll get used to saying that name. Okay, so I said it right. Okay, next time I'll try to say it with the Spanish accent. Okay, I got it. Thank you. Okay, thanks for breaking it down and let me pronounce it correctly. I appreciate that. All right, Justin, got you. Could you watermark your chart? I don't watermark my charts because the reason why I don't watermark my charts is because it's too distracting, and I don't like it. So what I do, I just tell the pair that I'm doing, and then I just because this is XRP right now, by the way, and I also tell everybody which pair I'm focusing on before I get into it. But this is XRP. I just don't like the stuff in the background because it takes too much. Especially with Ichimoku, it just adds on to the clutter because Ichimoku is already cluttered. You see this, like this is already cluttered, so I don't like having extra stuff on my chart. That's the only reason why I don't do it. Let me see. You said thanks for your analysis and your vision. Oh, of course, anytime. Let me go to the Bitcoin. That's the next one. So Bitcoin is pretty much doing something very identical to XRP. Actually, I want to do this. Let me take this off. It's doing something, something interesting. There's a gap right here, but it already filled, so never mind. I take that back. It's already filled. I want to do this real quick. Yeah, so right here on Bitcoin. So now we're looking at Bitcoin. There is no trading opportunity. Actually, let me not say that right now because there might actually be a trading opportunity. So if you look here, depending on how this market goes, you see how the market's bouncing off this trend line here on Bitcoin. So let me take that off. Actually, no, keep that. Let me keep that. So see how the market touched pretty much 4 times here on this trend line. 1, well actually it did touch, they got close. 2, and then 3, and then here's 4. So notice how 4 times this market rejected at this trend line. So what I want to see here at this trend line level, I want to see if sellers are coming in at this point right now, because if sellers are coming in right here, I'm looking to go short. Now, let me see. Let me take Ichimoku. And I'm looking to go short anyway because of this is bearish and we're already underneath the cloud anyway. So let me look. So on the hour time frame, it is showing that buyers are coming in. And no, this is not the MACD, Cedric. This is not MACD. This is the cumulative volume delta, or CVO. It's supposed to be called CVD, but they call it CVO on here. You said, do you want regular or low sugar? No, I want regular. Low sugar? I want the sugar. I was about to say something funny, but I don't know how funny that would be. But let me go ahead and look at this. Let me see. Why is it not coming up? Oh, I messed up. Hold on a second. Oop. Give me a moment. There we go. So let me go to the 15-minute time frame now. So this is the trend line that I was talking about. Now I'm just revealing it on the 15-minute time frame. So now what I want to see, there are sellers in the market right now. They're not strong, but they are here. Let me show you where, so y'all could get it. It's very slight. They're not strong, but they are in the market. Because you see how this is coming lower? It's very slight. So sellers are definitely in the market looking at this spot, but they're not really trying to push this market right now. They're not trying to jump the gun because a lot of pressure is right here. There's a lot of risk right here. Now, if we go to the 5-minute time frame, we'll see if sellers are trying to take over here. And if you see here, sellers are in this market, but overall, Now, if you zoom out, then yes, sellers are winning overall. If you look here, sellers are definitely winning overall in this market. But here's the thing that I'm seeing. I see buyers are attempting to push this market up right now because we see that they're coming in. So since I see buyers coming in, I want to see how strong the push is going to be at this level. So what we could get, and honestly, I'm actually wanting to short this because I see an S wave right here. Well, Z wave, or what I call it, a Z wave, just because it looks like a Z, but this is a Z wave. So this would be my trade. This will be my trade. So I'm looking at this. A short here. Stop loss up here. Taking profit at this level here. That's what I'm looking at right there. If y'all want to get more into the wave theory and the wave analysis, because a lot of people don't understand this part. The reason why it's a wave is because I'm looking at this fractal level. I'm seeing if price holds at this fractal. So if it holds at this fractal, we'll get a short to the downside. Maybe it might even come even lower down to here. But this is overall, you know, this is what I'm looking for here. Let me go ahead and put these targets on the 5. Yep, pretty much got it. All right, so we got this down. Okay, perfect. So this is what I'm seeing here. Potentially this move. If we could reject at this level, at this fractal level, I'm looking to go short. So I'm thinking sellers, what I want to see, personally, what I want to see happen, I want to see sellers selling volume come into this market. That's what's going to intrigue me to go, you know, keep that short going. That's what I'm looking at. So let me go ahead and make this visible on the 5-minute only. And let me make this visible here on the 5-minute only. Bam, right there. So that's what I'm looking at. And if you see here, the smallest time frame I'll touch is the 1 minute. And if you see on the 1 minute, sellers are coming in on the 1 minute time frame. So if depending on how the market forms here, y'all didn't know I could touch that trade the 1 minute time frame, did you? But looking at the 1 minute time frame, using the wave analysis, this is what I'm seeing, where the market could reject at this red zone and then come to the downside. That's what I'm looking for. I see sellers coming in. If it shows that we can't break above this level, most likely the market will start to push lower. That's what I'm looking for. But we will see. We'll have to wait and see. But I'm still shorting this. My entry, let me just tell you my entry. So I will put a stop loss. No, stop loss is going to be at 22,186. Entry point is going to be at 21,939. And take profit is going to be at 20,873. That's what I got. All right, so trade at your own risk if you are going to jump in. I'm not going to tell you what to do. Y'all grown. Y'all can make y'all's own decisions. I'm just here to point out what I see in the market. Let me see. So the CVO is just, it shows supply and demand. That's all. It shows buyers and sellers. That's all it does. It shows supply and demand. Why don't you control divergence on other indicators? I'm not. So it's just my preference, and it's because the CVO shows it's more accurate with the divergence. The reason why it's a little more accurate with divergence is because it shows volume. It shows the volume of buyers and sellers in the market. That's all. All right, let me show you. So we're going to jump onto Ethereum, and we're going to check out Ethereum. But give me a moment real quick. So Ethereum is still bearish underneath the cloud. We are here. We go a little bit higher. So we have some resistance right there. Let's see, right there. And right here. So this one looks like XRP pretty much. And actually, what I'm going to do for this one, I'm going to actually do this one special. I'm going to do it like this. All right. So Ethereum is ranging right now. As you can see here, it's kind of annoying. But hey, I'm looking to see if we'll get back down to this red zone. You said you're scalping long now. Do you play the WS? Nope, I don't do that. Yeah, I'm seeing the shorts. Most likely a short here. Let's see. Ethereum. We're at the Tinkinson, so I'm looking for a bounce there. So let me take that off. Let's go down to the 15. For Ethereum, let me see. This is a fun one right here. So what's bad about Ethereum right now? And this is showing some false reads. And I'll explain what I'm want to see here. What I see here. The reason why I said there's a false read here because it's saying that there's buyers in the market right here, but the buyers are not doing nothing. It's not breaking above this level. So this is telling me that buyers are not really strong right here from what I'm seeing. So I'm thinking personally that the market is going to start moving south right here because it's showing that, actually it's showing that now that sellers are coming in. If I go to the 5-minute or the 1-minute time frame, I'm pretty sure you'll see these bars start to angle to the downside. So you see here it's coming down, and if I go to the minute time frame, you see that sellers are coming into the market. Sellers are coming into the market. So that's what I'm seeing currently right now in this market. Sellers are in control, whether y'all see it or not. Sellers are definitely in this market right now. That's why I'm not trying to jump the gun here. What's up, Navi? How you doing? Who's this beautiful smart guy, smart next guy? Oh, thank you, beautiful Navi-chan. I appreciate you. Appreciate you a lot. Yeah, Navi, you need to learn how to trade. I'm telling you, it's gonna change your life. It's gonna change your life. You saw when we were talking about it on Viper's stream last night that how much we were planning to make in the market. And you saw Viper, he took a trade last night on his live stream too. He said he woke up with 100 points, 100 plus points. So yeah, he had a really successful trade last night too, from what I saw. But hey, if you want to learn to trade, join Navi. Join, be a member. You learn from myself and Viper. We're pretty decent traders. I'm not saying we're the best, but we're pretty decent. Let's see. What is this one saying? Let me go back to XRP real quick. So XRP is going up right there. Hasn't hit stop loss, but it's still going up a little bit. Let me look at US30. That's another one that I look at is the Dow Jones. Hold on a second. I got too much noise going on right here. Got way too much noise on my screen. Hold on a second. Oh yeah, if you want to, let me know. Just hit. You know where to reach me. I'm on Twitter. I'm on Viper stream, so you know where to hit me. Let me see. So one thing I will say this on the daily time frame. This is not good. This is saying that the market's flat, as you already see, is very, very flat. So this is what I'm seeing here, that the market's holding off at this level. Is, I won't say it's obvious, but it kind of is that we're failing to go underneath this level. So what's happening here, if we go to the 4-hour time frame, you're seeing that there is buyers that are looking at this area. Ooh, excuse me. Let me take this off. This is where they took the short last night on for US30. How many pips did he catch? So he said he caught 100, but he should have actually stayed in longer, because this actually dropped. Wow, this dropped 648 points last night. So yeah, he should have definitely stayed in the trade longer. I'm surprised he didn't. But anyway, let me go here. Let me show you why I'm a little nervous for sellers in this market, because the market is showing that buyers want to come in right now. If you see here, we have a C clamp formation. So what a C clamp formation is, let me give you a little education right now. Let me take that all off. So with the red line and blue line, think of these two lines like lovers. They like to be close together. As you see here, you see them like squeezing tight to, they're pretty much squeezing tight together. And you see they slowly drift apart. So whenever they start to drift apart, this is saying that the market's out of equilibrium, saying that the market may want to do a correction. It doesn't mean it's going to do a correction. It's saying that there's a good chance that the market may want to pull back up to this level, or pull, maybe halfway. So if you throw on Fibonacci, let me show y'all some Fibonacci real quick. From this point to this point, and this is why I don't use Fibonacci, for this one reason. This blue line is the 50% level on Fibonacci. So if you see the market fall down, usually they say the market has to make a 50% correction. I don't need to see that, because Ichimoku has built-in Fibonacci already. So I will see that, oh, the blue line's flat. This is the 50% level. The market may come back, make a 50% retracement, then continue to the downside, or just come up a little short and then continue, or whatever it wants to do. We never know what the market truly wants to do, but we have a general idea of what the market wants to do. But in this case, the market is showing that there might be a sign of reversal here. And then you also see a reversal candle down here anyway, a long-legged doji at support. So that's what I'm also starting to see here on US30 for a potential long to the upside. You said, I just can't imagine I could pay all my bills with trading, to be honest. Yeah, it takes time. There's people that, trade for a living. One of my friends, him and his wife, they trade. All they do is trade and travel and work on business ideas. That's all they do all day. And then they take care of their kids. But what they do, because it's crazy, because well, they have I think they have 3 businesses, and they travel and they trade. That's all they do, is take care of their businesses, travel and trade, and take care of their kids. That's it. And they average at least 6 figures. I'm not gonna put out their business like that, but they make at least 6 figures almost a week. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. That's a lot. But that's because they had time to trade and then invest into other avenues and have money coming in constantly. So having money coming in constantly on top of trading and having the time to flip that money, it's beautiful. It could definitely be life changing, especially when you have time to learn the craft and really get it down for yourself. So how much initial capital needed for a swing trader? You know what? That's funny you say that. Let me show you a trade that my student took, because he started off with $65 and turned his $65 into 500 plus. So let me show you on Twitch, not Twitch, on let's see. Let me just pull it up. Here it is. So I don't know if y'all could see this, but right here, this is my student, Ace the Greatest. So he started off with $65 and he flipped it to $565. All right. So you can't fake this. I don't know the percentage gain on that off the top of my head, but I do know that's a lot of percent just for one swing trade. So as far as swing trading is based on your risk management, and it's based on if you're going to time your trade versus just entering the market just because you want to. So you don't need a lot to swing trade. You just need to have a decent amount of capital and learn how to uh, make the right decision when it comes to your trading. Let me see. You said thanks, man, but I need to go to bed. Okay, Braveheart, I appreciate you joining. Go sweet dreams, and I appreciate you joining the stream. God bless you. Peace. Let me see. Yes, it's a business, and like all our jobs, you have to be good with it, right? Yeah, you have to. Yeah, of course. And it's not, and it's not about being good at it. It's about being consistent. You don't need to win all your trades. You just need to win 50% of your trades. They say the best traders only win 50% of their trades. Yeah, you don't really have to. Now, there are traders that have a high ratio of winning, like 80 plus, but it's not about that because you could have, you could win. Okay, so let me put it into perspective. Let's say you take 10 trades and 8 of those trades are losses, which is a very bad percentage, but let's say those 2 trades that you took out of those 10 were more profitable than those 8 trades that you took. So you have an 80% losing ratio, but a 20% win ratio, but your 20% wins is higher than your 80% losses, if that makes sense. So you just have to, and yes, you have to make the right decisions when it comes to trading, but the way you make the right decision is about probability. It's about looking at the levels of support, resistance, checking and seeing if there's buyers in the market, checking to see if there's sellers in the market. Stick to strict strategies that have confirmations. So if you don't have confirmations or confluence, you don't take the trade. If you have those confirmations and confluences, you take the trade. Other than that, you could stay out of the market if you want, but you just take your time with it. To earn $2,000 a month, yeah, just even if you're making just the extra $500 a month with trading, that's still good. That's bills or that's groceries on the table. That's something that could be added. Same as poker. No, I don't know about poker because poker is all about chance. Trading has a lot more probability than poker. Poker is straight up chance. Poker is way random, more random than the market. At least with the market, you could at least decipher patterns and see the emotions in the market. But poker is way more chance based than the market. So yeah, I don't think they're definitely not the same, Cedric. Not even close. Oh man, not even close. But looking at this, I do see buyers are trying to come into this market, so we may range in here for a minute. Yeah, you see buyers are coming in right now. So for this one, it's kind of too late to get in a trade. Yeah, it's way too late to get in a trade here. Let me do this because it's way too late to enter. The only way I would enter a trade is if we break that line. So if we broke above here, this level, which is, what price is that? 30,516.87. If we broke that level, then yeah, I would be more inclined to jump in, but it's not showing that we're breaking that level. So most likely, sellers may take the edge here until tomorrow morning when the news drops. So what may happen, the news may drop tomorrow and then the market may burst through and come down. Because tomorrow expect the market to be very volatile tomorrow. He said, wait. Navi said, wait, what poker? I love poker. You play poker, Navi? Are you good at it? Because I know they have some online poker. Let me see. So that was US30. There's no trade here yet on US30. Let me check out Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is breaking that trend line. I'm not liking that. It might actually have hit stop. Actually, no, it hasn't triggered the trade yet, so I can't say. Let me see. So we have an order block here too. Yeah, I don't like this. Oh, look at that. Look at Bitcoin trying to shine right now. which is interesting because it's showing that buyers are coming in right there, but it's still not high enough. It's still not high enough. But let's see. Let's watch this market. I'm very curious because we have a golden cross right now on Bitcoin, but I still am not convinced that Bitcoin's gonna hold this. And we haven't even got triggered in yet, so if you did enter on Bitcoin, then it hit your stop loss already. But if you didn't, then you're still good because our entry is still right here anyway, so we're still good. So I'm not entering the trade. I would have entered. You can enter now anyway, but right here, there's no reason to enter the trade. And we're still at this order block here too. Going back to the 15, because this whole wick is the order block, but I'm just basing it off of this right here. I don't like to draw big boxes like this because it looks a little clunky. I just take a mental note that, okay, we're still in an order block and that level's right there. You said not online poker. I had a sponsor in the past and played for him 1.5 years in a casino. Wow. Till Corona. Oh, wow. How was that? Yeah, I'm pretty sure that was a lot of, I'm pretty sure that was stressful. Yeah, because trading, poker is definitely a different mind game. Definitely a different mind game. All right, there we go. We're going to see how this plays right now. Let's see. I'm betting it's going to wick. No, actually, no, it might not wick. This is going to be interesting. We're going to see how this plays. Because if it does not get past this line, it's going to wick like it's already doing right now. So let's go to the next one, which was gold. Ooh, kind of too late on gold. But I'll explain what I'm seeing here on gold. Bam. Right there. Let me see. Actually, I could do this. There we go. Right there. You said, okay, tell me please what means a auto block. No, not an auto block, an order block. So an order block, actually I'll show you one right now because I see a few. Whoa, where'd my fractals go? They just disappeared. Calculation time. Wow, they removed my fractals. That's weird. Okay, well anyway, let me show you what an order block is. So order block is this level. This is what an order block is. All right, so let me take this off. So an order block is simply showing that there was buying or selling pressure, and that where institution money came in. So when I'm saying institution money, I'm saying like big money, like banks, big players, whales, big money coming in at this level. So this was a order block. So what happens with the order block when price gets back to that level? Price likes to come and test it again and then reject, as you saw here. So if we were going back, it's on the daily chart. So let's say we went to the 4-hour chart. Let me do this. Let me show this. Let me go and let me show you something. Yeah, order block. Yeah. So this is the order block based off this daily time frame. So this is the daily chart. And this is a daily order block. So if we go to a 4-hour chart, you can see it on a smaller level. So notice here that the market came down, right? So when we saw the market come down, the market came back up to test this order block right here. And then you notice how the market was going lower, right? You could do body to body or candle wick to wick. So notice here how it's going lower. So as it was going lower, it was rejecting at that level, showing that sellers were pushing this market lower, as you can see here. And then you see right here, sellers really took over and pushed this market lower. So if price gets back up to this level, sellers are going to be looking to push it back down. Now, it doesn't mean that the order block won't be broken, because order blocks can be broken. But what I'm saying here is that sellers will be looking at this spot again if the price does get back to this level. That's what an order block is. So let me go back to the daily charts. And let me take Ichimoku off for a moment. So there is definitely, oh, we took an L here. This was yesterday. So what we're seeing here, let's take a look. So we see that at this level, we have some supports. Let me take this off as well. Actually, no, I'm gonna keep that on there. As we see here that we have some support, and that's why we see the market is going up right now. If you remember on the daily chart, you see that we have a double bottom here. Last time we got to this level, we had some strong rejection. When we had that strong rejection here, that's when we saw buyers take over the market. So we're starting to see that rejection at this same level right now, which is why we see buyers coming in. So right now, it would be, I'm not going to say you should enter. If you're trading gold, enter long, but you have a better chance of going long here than going short. Now, it is saying that this is showing sellers in the market, but since it's contradicting, this is a good spot to go long here. When this candle closes in 11 minutes, ooh, excuse me, something like this. Excuse me. This is what we could look for a trade like that. Do you think it will go back to this level soon? I won't say soon, but it would have to break this one first, right here. It would have to break this level here first. So that's what I would see here before. Also, we have to break this level too, if anything, because we got a fractal level here. So we could get rejected at that level too. So I see two scenarios on this one. So the two scenarios that I personally see here, I see the market coming here, could get rejected, then come down. Or I see the market being strong coming up to this level here. Those are the only two scenarios that I see. So this is the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, this is the 4-hour time frame. Let me go ahead and move this over. And if you see here on the 1-hour chart, it's already showing signs of buying pressure too. So buyers are definitely coming into this market currently. I really should have been down in the trade already down here. If you get in right here, you're kind of, testing the market, but that's fine. You're going based off the 4-hour momentum anyway. So this is what I'm seeing for gold: a push to the upside, and then or a push to the upside, then a rejection at this red level, and then down. And maybe not even down that far, maybe back down to this level. But yeah, that's what I'm seeing right now for gold. Let's see what else. We had Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. What other ones? All right, so any request. Does anybody have a request right now? If you have a request, feel free to throw it my way. It could be Forex, stocks, crypto. Also, if you are a member, you get first dibs on requests. So yeah, if you have a request on what currency you want me to look at, I'll take a peek at it, or stock. But in the meantime, let me go ahead and check what's going on here. So NAS 100 H bar. You said looks like scenario. Second scenario will be it. Yeah, the second scenario seems like it could be the most promising one. H bar. Let's look at NAS first and then H bar. Where is NAS at on my list? Oh, wow, I don't have it. Oh, here it is. I was about to say, I know I have it on my list. I should have actually been in this trade based off the time theory. Oh, let me. Dang, I got so much stuff on my chart. It's ugly. All right. Here we go. Let's see. We had an order block here and an S wave at that. And we had an S wave here. So let me go ahead and draw this up. So it's the same thing as US30. It made a reversal pattern right here. The long-legged doji candlestick pattern. So we're looking already to probably go long there. And then if we come on the 4-hour time frame, you see how it's flat here? So I'm pretty sure on the 1 hour, yep, there's some divergence here on the 1 hour. So look to go long. See this divergence? Actually, let me see. Very slight divergence. Look to go long on NASDAQ 100, NAS 100 for a long. To enter this trade, if I were you, I would wait till there's a break at that fractal level. Personally, that's what I would do. Wait till there's a break here with some buying volume. Or wait till the next bar shows you buying pressure, then enter above this level. The lowest time frame I would go here is probably, nah, I'm not going that far. The hour would be the lowest. Playing on the 15 minutes is like suicide. I won't play on that. You said, all right, I'm lurking here next in the coffee, you know. Let me learn something. All right, yeah, get your coffee. I know you like to drink your coffee, so go ahead and get some coffee. You got to be here for a minute. So as far as NASDAQ 100, I wouldn't enter until price breaks above this level. All right, so that's what I got. I'm going to make a red line here. I'm actually going to probably put an alert here too and put potential buy. There we go. All right, so I have an alert set for this one, and I'm going to put it on my watch list for NAS. H bar, let's check out H bar. H bar. I got so many things on this chart. H bar has been such a disappointment. So last time we looked at H bar, we were thinking that the market had a chance to go up, but it failed to do so. And I think it was on the lower time frames too that I was looking at this. Because I said, last time I saw this, okay, let me explain this. Because this was where I saw H bar. So I said that the price is going to break here, and it touched our target. It touched two of our targets. I said if H bar is going to continue to go up, it needs to break this red zone. And you see how it came to this order block. So Navi, if you are watching, if you're still at the computer or phone, the reason why this failed to go higher, it was because at this order block, what happened here was that the selling pressure came in because this was the selling order block. So this is why the market dropped. And I was saying at the last time I looked at H bar, if we don't get above this red zone, that market is most likely going to go down. So I remember this one. And if you see here, if we stretch this over to this way, let me take that off. This is all over with. If you see here how price came back to this order block over here, notice how the sellers came back in again. They were here again. Oops, I don't want that. This is what I want. They were over here. and this was the order block level that we were looking at right in here. So we know that this is selling territory. So what's happening now? Well, I'm just explaining this, but why this happened. So what's happening now? Seeing that where the market's at, let me see Ichimoku real quick. We're still overall bearish. I don't like this time frame. We're still overall bearish. What I want to see here, we're still ranging too. So if we go to like a 1 hour time frame, you'll see it's obvious in an obvious range right here. Let me go through this. Let me take Ichimoku off. And you can see the range here. Pretty much right there. So the market's ranging in here. As far as a trading opportunity, it's just going to move sideways. There's not going to be much to do. If you're trading this, your best bet would be like on the 5 minute. Yeah, the 5 minute or the 15-minute chart. And just trade the bounces in here, the ups and the downs. But looking at this, it's looking like maybe buyers might take this based off what I'm seeing currently. If it breaks this level, it's going to be a buying opportunity. But I'm not I don't trade H-bar. I don't have a platform that trades H-bar. But based off what I'm looking at, if it breaks this level that I'm looking at here, yeah, that's a good long. What's the lowest time frame to look for a swing? Honestly, the lowest time frame, if you're gonna swing, should be like the hour or the 4 hour time frame. Going lower than that, that's not even called swinging no more. That's scalping. As far as day trading, 4 hour, 1 hour, and as far as scalping, 15 minutes, 1 minute to 15-minute time frame for scalping. Yeah, I have H-bar coming down. It's going to be this. Let me see. I'm looking for this. That's what I'm personally looking for here on H-bar. I don't want to go any further than that. Based on the current data that I'm getting here, it's showing that buyers are trying to come in the market, but it's saying that the market's contradicting on the candle. So I still think those sellers are going to come in, whether they push up a little higher and then drop, or whether they come in right now. I still think there's going to be a drop here. You said how much time does it take? Like, how much time does what take specifically? What's up, Ivy? How you doing? I appreciate you being here. I just saw your name on the screen. So for this one, I'm still looking at H-bar coming down. Let's see. GBP, JPY. And then after that, I'll look at BTC, XRP. But let me look at BTC. Let me look at GBP, JPY. That's one of my favorite pairs. I was actually looking at that the other day, actually, on a live stream with my friend. Because my friend, he was looking for a long trade on this one. So this is what we were looking at on the live, because we said that the market was going to come down here, and it did. So we got in a little too early, but we're thinking the market's going to start pushing up now on GBP JPY. Oh yeah, you're welcome, Cedric. But yeah, we're looking for a buy here on GBP JPY. The reason why, going to the higher time frame, we're at the flat key June level, which is holding as support. And when we have support like that, you come down to the 4 hour. Notice that buyers, I could notice how buyers are slowly coming into this market. Not very strong, but they're slowly coming in right there. And you'll see it more clearly on the 1 hour. Let me show you. See here, buyers are coming in on the 1 hour. So if you're going to trade GBP JPY, I will look to go long. And this is based off the 4-hour time frame and the daily time frame, not the hour. The hour time frame is the lowest I'll enter the trade. The 4-hour and the 1-hour, the 4-hour and the daily is what I'm looking at, pushing the market up higher. So let me go back to this. Maybe make it visible here. Bam. So yeah, this is our trade. We're gonna make it right there. This is a trade, and we're gonna look for probably how many pips max. We're gonna look at here first, because we have some resistance here in this zone. So I think the market will come up to at least this zone first, and that'll be how many pips? So that'll be like 156 pips. Have like a stop loss underneath this level. That's a big stop loss. Well, since this is a big trade, then you have to have a big stop loss. You could put the stop loss underneath the candle, which is fine. That's 60 pips. So you could let the market do its thing and give it some space. So entry would be something like 162.72. Stop loss will be like 162.16, and then up here, take profit will be 164.35. So that will be that right there. So don't do market execution. I'm just letting you know, don't do that. Do like a buy stop. Let the market trigger you in. He says sorry y'all guys for asking stupid questions. I try to understand this stuff, but no, you don't have stupid questions. Yeah, those are definitely not stupid questions. Those are good questions to ask, especially because you don't know anything about trading. It's best that you do ask questions. Trust, it's way better that you ask questions and not ask anything at all. Looks like it's about to trigger and go up. All right, so now I can look at BTC XRP. So let me take a look at that. This is looking good so far on GBP JPY. Let me see. Do I have Bitcoin versus XRP? I should have that. Bitcoin versus XRP. Where is it at? I have so many things. Oh, here it is. So many things that I look at, it's ridiculous. All right, let's take a peek. All right, so we're already at resistance. We have so much resistance here. So let me show you the first level. Here's a level of resistance at this red zone. So let me take Ichimoku. So we have a resistance here at this red zone. This could be a fractal bounce. The next level of resistance, we are already at the cloud already. So we are at resistance right here. And then look at this fractal where this price is at. We have resistance there. So we have so many layers of resistance already working against us. And then we have an order block right here anyway. So we have a lot of resistance here. So I'm not even going to draw this order block up. I'm just going to focus on where the market's at currently, because there's a lot that's going on right here. So that being said, let's take a look. You see how it's showing that there's buying pressure coming in the market? But if that's really the case, that shows that buyers are not that strong. You know why? Because if buyers, look at this. This is what y'all need to really understand, because really look at and see that the market is trying to push right there on this bar. But it's not reflecting on the chart. Because if it was really reflecting right here, this would have blown through this level, and it's not showing that. So this is false movement right here. What's up, Anthony? How we doing, baby? Appreciate you being on here, brother. Thank you. But right here, this is a false read on the market, which is not good. That's why you can't just go based on feeling and the sentiment of what everybody's feeling. This is showing a false read of buyers. This is saying buyers are not strong because it's not breaking that level, which is not what you want to see happen. Now, if we go to the 4-hour time frame, notice here that the blue line, and I told you when the blue line starts to go flat, that means the market's starting to slow down in momentum. So right now we see that the market's starting to slow down up here. Even though it is showing that it is bullish on Ichimoku, this is still saying that it's showing signs of weakness at this level. As far as divergence, no divergence, still showing that buyers are coming in, but it's still not breaking that level. So that's not good. Another thing that I want to take into consideration, let me move this over here. If price does decide to fall down, and you also see there's divergence at this level too anyway. From here, that's why you see the market flattening out right there to right there. So yeah, we got some serious divergence going on here. So what I would look for is a short here. There's no confirmation to take a short yet. What I want to see, actually, no, let me wait. Let me see something. Let me pull out my secret weapon. So right now it's giving us a short signal right there. So technically we should be shorting right there. Well, don't short yet until this candle closes. It still has a whole 51 minutes for this candle to close. So don't take this short yet if you're going to trade XRP versus BTC. Yeah, it's XRP versus Bitcoin or Bitcoin XRP, or whichever way you want to say it or flip it. But yeah, this is looking like a short. You got divergence here, bearish divergence at that. But you don't want to enter just yet. Wait till the 1 hour time frame candle closes. Once it closes, and Ivy, I don't know if you downloaded this indicator on your. If you go to the student chat, you'll see the indicator list, and you could copy this code and put it on your TradingView account to get this. So yeah, if you get that, yeah, short this. Because it's giving you a short signal now, but to confirm it, the candle must close before you enter the trade. All right, because you could still get a false read. The market could still push higher. But right now, it is saying that there's weakness right here. There's weakness on the 4 hour, and there's weakness on the daily. Because we're right at that resistance right there. We got another layer of resistance up here anyway. So you're just trading right into resistance. So I'm looking to go short. You said great analysis as usual. Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you, Anthony. I appreciate that. Navi, you said I just don't want to interrupt. Oh, shush. Give me my coffee. Go ahead, mister. Yeah, enjoy your coffee. Enjoy your coffee. I ain't going to bother you too much. Let me see. I think I got everybody's. What's it called? Oh my goodness, I'm having like a brain fart right now. I think I got everybody's request. So let me see. Yeah, I got it. It's super nice. Okay, great. Awesome. Yeah, if you need any help with setting anything up, let me know. I got you. Let's see. Let me make sure I caught up with everybody's comments. Okay, any more requests? I'll take some more requests. No, I haven't done that one. I'll look at it right now. I'll do algo right now. Let's take a look. Algo. Ooh, I don't like that. let me take this all off. I have too much noise on here. So let's start fresh. I don't want to look at the daily because the daily is obviously bearish. So let's go to. Let me look at one more thing. Showing selling pressure right there, but it's not reflecting right there. Let me see. You know what's interesting about algo right now? What I do like about it, it is showing some bullish divergence. I will say that. But we're ranging in here what I don't like. You know I don't like ranging markets. And it's a mother candle right here, but you know, to save face, you know, we're really ranging in between here anyway. But let me show you. We are showing some bullish divergence right here. The only thing is it's not ready for a buying opportunity yet. Because right there, boom. You see how buyers are coming into the market right here on algo? So this is showing a good sign that the market is trying to go higher. Cedric, good night. Have a good sleep. God bless you too, brother. Be blessed. But you see how right here that the market is going up. You see buyers are coming into this market. But if you look at the RCI, it's saying that it's overall bearish. But we don't want to go based off that. We want to go based off with us seeing buyers coming into the market in that bullish divergence that's here. So what I want to see if this red line could flip and give us a buy signal. And if we get a buy signal there, that's when I'll start to think, okay, now let me see if we could break above this level for a long position. That's when I'll go long. But right now it's not ready for a long. It's looking like it's trying to set up for a long trade. And if it does set up for a long, this is where I have two places where I would look at the market. Actually, really three. So the market, first I would look here to see if it breaks this high, which I think it would anyway. So I'm going to skip that. So I'm going to make it just two. I will look to see if price is going to come here. And then the next place I will look to see is if price could come up to here. Just based on the current data at this present time, because right now the market is showing that buyers are coming in right now. So that's what I am noticing. So yeah, you guys let me know what you think as well, if y'all agree or disagree. I know everybody has their own style of trading, but me personally, looking at this, I see that the market is very, price is far away from the key June, which is saying that price wants to probably pull up anyway. And then after it makes a little correction, then I think the market's going to move, south, and continue south after that. So I think this is most likely going to be the case. So this is what let me show you the full picture before I move on. So I see that this could be a possibility here to the blue line, then down, or still coming up and then down. Remember, this is chess. This is how they, this is how they look at the market. You have to have different scenarios in your mind on the market. We could get that move up to the blue line. Up to the blue line right there. Get a bounce off that blue line, come down. Or we could come up to this order block, then come down. And it could still even break this order block and go higher, but we're not there yet to confirm, because when we get to that level, or if we get to that level, we're going to have to see if buyers or sellers are taking control of this market. Right now, buyers are coming in the market. If we go to the hour time frame, we'll see buyers are in the market right now. Look at the buyers taking over. Even though this is bears, these are bear colors, it's showing that the bears are getting dominated right now on the hour and the 4 hour time frame. Now, if you want to be aggressive, Anthony, and this is up to you. If you want to be aggressive, getting in here, ooh, RCI is looking good for a long position. If you want to get aggressive, what you want to do, take this off. Wait till you get a break. Let's move this line over here, about right there. Get a break at that level, which is 30 cents, 946. And if you get a break there with the blue bar, oh yeah, definitely take it that long. That means that the bulls are going to take over here, push it up. So that's what I'm seeing here. That's what I'm thinking is most likely the case that's going to happen with H-bar. Oh, not H-bar, algo. Let me take that off. Let me do this. All right, anybody got another request? Let me know in the chat. I got you. What is? Hold on a second. Let me read this text real quick. What? Wait a minute. Wait. What? Oh my. Okay. It's my homegirl. She sent a funny message. I'll have to answer that later. That's funny. That's hilarious. But anyway, uh, anybody got some requests? Let me know. Let me know. I got you guys. Let's take a look again. Let's go back to XRP. So XRP is still holding that level. Yep, it's still holding. Hold on a second. Let me see. Yeah, it's still holding that level. See, look, it's going down. Let me see. XRP 15. So if you got in on the trade on XRP, let me make sure. Oh, it did trigger us. Oh, dang, that sucks. So it did hit stop loss. But look, it's still trying to come down. So it's still good for a short. This is still good for a short. The only thing, let me see something. What I should have done. Yeah, I should have actually used, yeah, I see it now. That's trash. But yeah, it's still short. You can still short XRP right now. It's still game for a short. I'm betting you that this still comes down. It did, if you did get kicked out of the trade or if you didn't enter yet, this is still your chance to get in on a short right now on XRP. Like I said, trade at your own risk. I'm not telling you grown folks nothing. Y'all trade y'all's own way. I'm not going to tell you anything. I'm just here to teach you. I'm just here to give you my thoughts and take trades that I think is has high probability success rate on it. Bitcoin's doing the same thing. Got rejected at this level, and now we see it coming down. And we see here, dang, it made a double top. I can't stand this market. I'm telling y'all, sometimes you get in the market too early, and then you feel some type of way about getting in the market too early. You said I just got in on XRP but missed the Bitcoin entry. No, you're still good on that Bitcoin entry right now. Like right now, Bitcoin's giving you a trade setup at this very moment. Once this candle closes in the next 10 minutes, when this candle closes underneath this red line, you're good for that short because remember, I said it's bouncing off this 1 hour trend line. See that? It's bouncing off that 1 hour trend line. So you should be thinking, oh, let's short this. Now, if you're not, then I don't know what to say. We could even move it a little bit more right there. And you see, boom. So yeah, it's still shorting. Been making bank off the XRP shorts. I used to be uncomfortable shorting, but this season has allowed me to get comfortable doing so. Also, man, see, yeah, and that's just getting more confident and comfortable with the market. Once you get more confident and comfortable with the market, you're gonna feel like the market can't stop you. And then you're gonna be throwing up bigger lot sizes too. And that's when it really gets fun because then you could have like double monitors, check like 20 charts at one time. I'm just playing. But anyway, but you know what I mean. It gets fun when you start being confident in taking trades and get comfortable doing it. I saw, you know what? This is interesting. Hopefully, if this is a P wave, because right now it looks like a P wave. Ooh, if this is a P wave, this is gonna be a good short. Let me give you targets. If this is a P wave, what is that price? So the next, ooh, okay, bet, bank. Y'all ready to make bank? Oops, wrong direction. Right there. $0.16 is on the table. All right. I didn't notice that until just now. My eyes just adjusted to it, and I see it right now. That this could be a N wave structure, which is a P wave. And then look right there. This our first real target will be 19 cents, 19 cent level. Then the next level will be 17 cents, and then the last level will be 16. All right. This is on the hour. I'm gonna make this only visible on the hour because I don't want my charts to get too cluttered. I hate clutter on my charts. But yeah, this is what could actually happen. I did not know that was a P wave right there. This is XRP. Yeah, this is XRP. Oh my God. No, this is Bitcoin. My bad. This is Bitcoin. So, wait a minute. Oh, hold on. Let me see something. I thought I clicked on XRP. What is going on? Sorry, my bad. I am so sorry. I thought I was. All right, we're ending the stream right here. I look stupid now. I look like I'm a stupid teacher. Oh my God. I thought it was XRP. I thought I clicked on XRP. Well, that was strange. But anyway, cut. And you know it's a live stream too, so I can't rewind and do another take. Oh my God. We're gonna pretend this never happened, y'all. I told y'all I was tired from the beginning of the stream, so hey, I'm not even tripping. I told you I'm tired from the beginning, but anyway, let me say this again. Bitcoin falling down to 20K. He said I was about to sell everything. Bitcoin falling to 20K. Bitcoin falling to 17K and 16K. Oh my God, I don't know what happened. I just had like a boom and everything just went gone. Dang, 20K sounds better. Oh my God. Yeah, I don't know what happened. I just had a brain fart just now. Like, that's my first time having a brain fart that bad to where I just totally forgot everything. You said people would cry. What's up, Adam? How you doing? Oh yeah, people would cry if that happened. Oh man. Yeah, we're gonna pretend that never happened, y'all. That I don't know what happened just now. My brain said went totally to the left side. I have no idea what that was about. You said, yo, it's all good, but considering you just did that for Bitcoin, that definitely means sub 20K is on the table. Yeah, it's definitely on the table. It's definitely on the table. And Sing right now, let me see. Let me see. You got 5 minutes to go short. You have 5 minutes for this trade. So if you want to take this trade in 5 minutes, once this candle closes, you got a sell signal right here with selling pressure. So if you want to take it, you're really right there at support. I mean, right here at resistance too. So I'm looking at this based off the 15 minute. Let me go down to the hour real quick. Let me add that one real quick. All right, boom. All right, so here, I put the targets on the 15-minute time frame so y'all could see it. Voila. He said it was strange that you were talking about since. Yeah, it was definitely strange. I'm not gonna live that down right now. I'm not living that one down. You know what? I might actually get in right now. So let me go ahead and put that trade in right now for Bitcoin. Where is it? I took a loss because I got too aggressive on my trade. This is Ethereum. Where's my Bitcoin chart? Where's my Bitcoin chart? Hold on a second. I could hear them playing Selena outside my place. They're playing what song is that? Oh my God, what is that song? I used to listen to Selena. I don't remember that song. It's talking about her the dude's a cheater and it's in Spanish. She's talking about the dude's a cheater and he broke her heart. I forget how it goes. I can't sing in Spanish. I'm not about to look crazy, but hey, let me see. But if I hear the words, I'll probably sing it for y'all so y'all can sing with me. I don't see my Bitcoin chart. Where's my Bitcoin chart? Here it is. Finally, I found it. Let me replace that for gold. All right, there we go. All right, I'm gonna go take my short trade on BTC. I'm gonna put in 2 trades, and we're gonna go with that. All right, so we're shorting Bitcoin. Actually, let me do one more thing. All right, let me go do this real quick. This is the 5. Hold on a second. Give me a second, y'all. I'm trying to adjust this to where I don't have to worry too much. Where's 20K at? All right, good. Okay. Well, if this trade goes right, I'm going to make, oh my God, that's going to be a lot. I'm going to make 6. Oh my God. That's going to be, hold on. Let me do the math real quick because that's going to be a lot. Hold on. Because this is going to be a big trade. Hold on. 39, 382. So I'm going to make, if this trade goes in the direction all the way to my target point, it's going to, I'm going to make $78,704. All right. So y'all saw that live. If it goes down to where I'm saying it's going, well, not right here. I'm looking at this point first. If it goes here, then I'm set. I'm set. Yeah, that's gonna be my first target. Where is it at? So I'm gonna target 13 first. I should target 16. Actually, let's actually do that. 16 first. Where's 16,000? All right, I'm targeting 16,000 first. Yeah, once we get there, I'm still good. And then I could sleep in peace at night. All right. All right, so that is the Bitcoin trade. So if you are taking it, y'all could join me. I'm taking that Bitcoin trade. I played it a little aggressive. I use pretty big lot sizes, so hopefully that don't bite me in the foot. But we're gonna see how this goes. I see the volume for sellers coming in, and we also got a short trade. Okay, locked in bet. So yeah, I'm excited for this. We got a short signal already, so I'm expecting the market to start coming down within the next hour. What's my leverage? 1 in 500. I know I'm crazy. I know. I am not well. I'm just playing. I'm well. But yes, 1 in 500. How long do you expect to have to let this trade run and hit your target? Until it hits. Until it hits or it takes me out. That's all I'm gonna play. I don't. To me, it's how I trade. I'm all or nothing. At this point in my life, when it comes to trading, it's all or nothing. Like, there's no point to. Well, the reason why I say that is because if you play it too safe in trading, you're not gonna go nowhere. If you get risky, like extra risky, then you might take a big loss. But hey, it's for me. I rather take a risky trade and let it run for a few days. So I expect this specific trade to take at least 2 days. Not 2 days. I expect it to take a week or so for this specific trade. Maybe even 2 weeks. You said, hey, what platform? Alejandro Turner, welcome to the stream, by the way. You said, what platform do I trade on? I trade on MetaTrader 4, MT4. So right now we are good. We're negative 528, but that's expected because you have to pay. When you take a trade, you have to pay commission to the broker or the exchange that you're on. Not only do you pay a commission fee, you also pay a swap fee, and not only a swap fee, depending on depending on how long you hold the trade, you pay a swap fee, and then you pay commission fee. So that's why whenever you take a trade, you're always going to start off in negative. All right. So right now I'm negative 500 on this account. So when we go blue or green, depending on what platform you trade on, you'll see the profit. But I'm expecting a big move here. I'm expecting a big move here. All right. Any other requests, let me know. If you got a request, let me know. I got you. Let me take a look at XRP real quick. Ooh, look at it's going down. Look at that. We got stopped out the first time. But hey, if you took the second trade, you're in now. So hey, let's go. Bitcoin is already falling. Let's go, Bitcoin. Keep falling. You're welcome. You're welcome, by the way. Yeah, if y'all have a request or if y'all want to be members on this channel, go ahead and be a member. You could join the Discord. I put out trades for the students. Oh yeah, speaking of trades for the students, let me also show this one right now, so they don't miss out on this one, because they're gonna be mad. Like, hey, you didn't tell us that we were supposed to be in this trade. Let me put that. Hold on, give me a second, y'all. I don't want to not. They should actually be in here anyway. Let me see. Trade setup. BTC. 1 hour. P wave. Short. All right, so I sent out the trade. I must put now. All right, so I just put out the signal to my students, so they should have that. Let me see. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, this was a really aggressive trade I took. It was a really aggressive trade I took. But sometimes you gotta take aggressive trades. Let me see. But yeah, if you want to be a member, y'all seen on social media my students taking trades. So if you want to be one of those that could trade like a boss, male or female, I don't care. I believe everybody could be a boss when it comes to trading. I've seen some pretty good female traders. I've seen some pretty good male traders since I've been doing this. And I've been to some millionaire traders places too. And they when I say they trade, they trade. But you could be the same if you really apply yourself and really take the time to learn this. And just be patient. Like this, don't make it like the thing about trading, it could literally change your life immediately, but you have to really be a student to the game. Like you have to put at least 2 to 3 hours into studying a day, and not just doing that. You have to understand that you have to apply the knowledge that you're given in this, in this space. Because if you're not applying what you learn on the charts, what's the point in trading? Because this could, like I said, this could be life-changing if you really stick your nose in the books and get into trading for real. I've seen people. There's one video that inspired me recently. This guy, he said he used to lose. He lost over $60,000 or more. I need to find the video because y'all might think I'm lying, but I'm not. He lost like over $60,000 in trading, right? But he never gave up. And it's crazy because you would think a sane person would eventually give up if you're losing all this money, right? So what he eventually did, he said, I'm going to get into this. And, he looks kind of nerdy too. He's like a young dude, nerdy young dude. And he said, you know what, I'm not going to give up. He Then he got like $190. He said he's got to try it one more time. He got $190, and he flipped $190 to 190 no $180,000 in 4 hours because he caught that. You know, do y'all remember the story when the oil market crashed? He caught that whole drop in the oil market. So yeah, trading could change your life if you really apply yourself and are patient. So I just wanted to share that story because I know that it would be some people like motivational stories like that, and yeah, it could definitely be a game changer if you really apply yourself and really don't give up. But that being said, if y'all don't have any more requests, I'm out of here. Do y'all have any more requests? Let me know. But if y'all don't, I'm out. Let me know. Let me know. Well, y'all got quiet. y'all ain't saying nothing no more in the chat. All right, so I guess there's no more requests. So if there's no more, okay. See y'all, see you late. See you got me at the end. So XLM and oil. Yeah, I'll take a look at oil real fast. You said go rest, man. I'm doing it right now. Yeah, I'm gonna do these last two and then I'm out. XLM and XLM and oil and I'm out. I'll look at XLM first. It's gonna take me a minute. I got a big list. All right, Nahuel. I think I got your name right. Nahuel. Have a good night, man. The take profit for Bitcoin, if you're taking it, 20K will be the next level. Well, actually, really, 21K, 20K, and 19K is the levels. What's up, 1385, Mr. Kaiser? How you doing? He's XLM is my girl. I bet. Let me see. Give me a minute because I have so many pairs on here. Hold on. Let me see. Where's the XLM? Here it is right there. Let me look at this real quick. I got like a fruit fly flying in here. I think it's from making all those smoothies. Ooh, XLM is not looking good right there. Give me a moment. Give me a moment. She loves. You're so dumb. I'm not gonna condone your behavior. She loves. Oh man, I'm not gonna even. I'm not gonna mess with you, right? I know what you're doing. You funny. Oh, that's hilarious though. But XLM, you're right. She's going down for sure. But looking at it, she's failing to break this, and then there's also some bearish divergence. You just got a short signal, and if you look here, taking Ichimoku off, you see that we have a short. We see bears are coming in the market right now, so I'm expecting XLM to start moving lower. Pow. As far as the targets, ooh, wait a minute. Here's another interesting thing. This looks like it's a false ascending triangle. Really, it should be right from here, but given the circumstance, yeah, this is a false descending triangle, so we might fall back in here. So yeah, I am seeing XLM fall though. That's what I'm going to stick with. All right. So let me look at oil real quick and then I'm out. Actually, I think I have it on my main. Here we go. Navi-chan. All right, here we go. So oil is actually in an order block level. Doesn't mean it's going down yet. So here's the order block as y'all see it over here. Here's the same order block over here. So let's see what's happening. Sellers are actually already coming in on the daily time frame. Wow, that's big. Let's see. Oh man, hold on a second. I actually should have removed this. Let's go back to the daily. Hold on. Okay, here we go. So right now, sellers are definitely taking over here. We actually just missed our short signal 12 hours ago. So if I had got on live 12 hours ago, we'd probably be in short right now because we just got a short 12 hours ago. There's no entry right now. If you want to be aggressive, let me see. You would have to come down to the 15. You said, let me know if you want to play some Apex after. Oh, yeah, of course. I'm down. I'm down for some Apex. You know I'm always down for some Apex. The only problem with my Apex right now, I don't know why Apex been acting funny. It's been, what's that it's been doing? It's been, every time I get on, it always shows there's an error. I don't know what that means. So I'm down to play. So, hey, we can play after this. But let me get food first. Then I'll send you I'll message you. And then we could get on. But right here on, oil looks like it wants to go down right now. Sellers are coming in right now on oil. It's showing that there's weakness in buyers right now on oil, so I'm looking to short oil based off this. Sellers are coming in right now. The only thing right now for oil is just being patient. But sellers are coming in right now. What's up, Atway? How you doing? You said, hey, thanks. Just read my first book on Ichimoku. I can now calculate all 5 elements freehand and plot them. See, that's what's up. How long you been into Ichimoku? But yeah, looking at oil, we're getting a Kumo bounce here anyway, and also rejecting at this level. So I'm seeing rejection here. And if we go to the hour, this is a Tinkinson bounce. Let me see. Let's move that. Yeah, we're getting a Tinkinson bounce. So I would look for a short here on oil. All right. So yeah, that's what I am seeing currently. So we're going to see how this plays out on oil. I'm liking what I'm seeing right now on oil. All right. Let's go down there. And then if you look here on the 4 hour, it's starting to get weak. Chiku span is underneath the price. We're still remaining underneath the Kijun. Yeah, we're getting bearish here. You said about a month ago after seeing your video. Okay. So you've been here for a minute. Let's go BTC. Let's go. Hopefully I can make that big trade for you guys so y'all could say y'all were here live to see it. I want something to go on for this community. All right, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and call it a night. Navi, I will hit you up after I finish eating, and then we can play some Apex. Once again, I appreciate you guys for being a part of this live stream. If you want to be a part of the Discord group, type in the chat box !Discord, and the Discord link will pop up. So if you want to be a part of the Discord group, catch the live streams or get updates on the market, be the first, then definitely jump in on the Discord. And also, if you want to be a member to the channel and be a student and get trades, Definitely, hit the join button on the YouTube channel. Be a member. If you want to be a VIP member or a legendary member or just a alliance, just a small member, then either one is fine. I definitely would appreciate it. Definitely show some love and support on there. D Mag, thank you for joining. I see you. You're trying to join the Discord. So yeah, there's the link right there. D Mag just brought up the Discord with the code. Not the code, but the exclamation point Discord. So appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Y'all be blessed in Jesus' name, and I will see you guys in the next stream. All right. God bless. Peace.